All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Mark Attanasio Bobble. So we'll check the time, May 26th at 3:38 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We had May 26th at 3:38 p.m. There is the list of our 50 entries with all of our mini spots filled in. We need so we're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jacob. Spot 38 is your winner. So Jacob, please message me to collect your Mark A. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, May 26th. 3:39 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.